Hi guys, my name is Shripal Jain. I'm one of the lead instructors at Simandar Education, which is the official partner of Becker Professional Education in India. So today I'll be talking more about USCPA qualification. So what is USCPA? What are the steps in USCPA? What are some of the things which you need to be careful on, and the latest update about India exams, and what are the new things which are coming up in the CPA exam. Now what is USCPA? So like we have in India chartered accountants, US chartered accountants are known as certified public accountants, which is CPA. Apart from that, the process looks to be a very difficult process because a lot of them have the confusion whether which state they are eligible for and which state they are not eligible for. To put it straightforward, so if you're a graduate from first division from a NAC university, you're straight away eligible for the CPA examination. If you are not a graduate or you have done your chartered accountancy, you still be eligible for the CPA examination even though you're not a graduate. If you are a graduate plus postgraduate, then very good news, you're straight away eligible for CPA exam. So these are certain eligibility requirements which are there, because what happens in CPA is that it works on a credit based system. So your every year of your graduation is converted into certain number of units, and those units are known as credits. So your first year of graduation gives you 30, second year of graduation gives you 30, and final year of your graduation gives you 30. So overall it is 90 credits. But typically what happens in CPA is that you need 120 to sit for the CPA exam. So with a 90 you can still sit for the CPA exam provided you do a diploma course or any of the masters which you are pursuing. So you can do simultaneously your CPA exam and you can do your masters also. So this is a very important thing. You don't need to wait for your masters to complete. You can do simultaneously along with your masters itself. So this is a very important point, because a lot of them are graduate but are finding it very tough whether they are eligible or not. So this is one of your important point to be noted if you're watching the video today.